Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a new portfolio on the Collectr app. First, open the Collectr app on your device. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner and tap on Portfolio. Next, you'll see your existing portfolios. Look for the green Add New button and tap it. Now just type in a name for your new portfolio, anything you like, and hit save. And that's it, your new portfolio is ready to use. You can now organize your collections exactly how you want. If you want another way of making a portfolio even faster, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.